Hi, my name is Kyla. I'm a global happiness coach. I'm based in South Korea, and I created my own happiness workshop that I've brought all over the world. And I have never been to India, so I thought, what better way to put myself outside of my comfort zone and really outside of my comfort zone than to come to India and be part of this amazing 3-day boot camp experience with Happiitude. And what are the main things that I've gotten out of this conference / boot camp? I think really it all boils down to people. And I think wherever you are in the world, it's not what you're doing, but it's who you're with. And I think that is truly exemplified with the staff at Happiitude, everybody here at the boot camp, from the one-on-one conversations to the activities, the experiential learning, to every single part of the day that they've thoughtfully crafted and put together. And I just feel so well taken care of. From the moment I landed, I met Suresh, who picked me up from the airport at 1 o'clock in the morning, to last night I was taken sari shopping, my first sari, with Jaya, who has been an amazing help and friend, and Karan and Pravan and Manju, and everybody has been just exceptionally kind, warm, and just walking the talk. So just really grateful and humbled to be a part of this and getting to work with some really truly amazing people.